Hello, everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about some of Serbian people's traditions during summer and during winter. During summer, we like to go to the sea. We like to swim, to have fun, to go out, to have nice food, to enjoy our time. So normally we go to Montenegro or we go to Greece. Those are the two places which are the most popular amongst Serbian people. But of course, we do go to Italy, Spain, Malta, Cyprus, etc. But the places that are mostly visited or visited by most people are Montenegro and Greece. If you don't see us there, then we are in a place called Ada Ciganlija in Belgrade. This is an artificial lake where you can do many kinds of sports. It's very good for children. You can have drinks there. You can have lunch there. As I said, you can enjoy many sports. You can play golf there. Um, it's extremely beautiful, but not so cheap. It's not possible to go there every day, probably because of the prices. But to go there a few times and to enjoy your time is very good. There are many foreigners there. If you don't see us there, then you will see us in the War Island in Zemun. So during summer, the military puts a military bridge over the Danube River so that people can cross from Zemun to this War Island. You can have a braai there. You can have some food there. You can swim there in the river. It's very nice, relaxed. The atmosphere is very nice, and normally young people go there. Also, some older people go there, but it's mainly for the young people, and it's very, very um, cool to be there during summer. We love shopping, as I already said, in Serbia. So wherever we go, we do a little bit of shopping for clothes, normally for clothes, for makeup. I'm talking about ladies. So this is what we also do. At the same time, Montenegro has amazing shops and amazing clothes, amazing footwear, etc. But in Greece, I heard that shopping is very good as well. We do go to Turkey as well during summer, but those are the most visited places, the ones I mentioned. This is during summer. If we are not there, then we go to spas in Serbia. The spa that I like the most is called Banja Ždrelo. This is a place which has many different swimming pools of different temperatures. So you can really go from the hottest to the warmest and less warm and less warm and less warm water. Depends on the temperature that you feel is good for your body and for your health. I like extremely hot water, so I went to the hottest swimming pool, or to the swimming pool with the hottest water. Uh, this is what I like to do. I love swimming. I love doing massages. So these places offer you all of that, plus good food. This doesn't mean that this is the most important spa in Serbia or that it's the most popular one. We have many of them. There is a huge number of spas in Serbia. Which one you will go to depends probably on whether you are going with your children or with your husband or with the whole family or alone, because each of them has a different offer and different prices, obviously, and different effects on the body. So some are used for health reasons, some are used for having fun, relaxing, and so on. I can maybe produce a list of all the spas that we have in Serbia and choose for you the ones that I think are the best, if you like. But for now, it's important to know what Serbians do in summer. Serbians in summer are either in Montenegro, in Greece, or at the artificial lake, in Zemun, or in some spa. During winter, we have two popular mountains. One of the most popular mountains is called Zlatibor. This is where many Serbians bought apartments, where they spend their winter holidays. This is where they spend time with their friends, with their families. This is where they celebrate the regular New Year on the 31st of December and the Serbian New Year on the 13th of January. Many singers come during winter to this area, and then they sing. The whole family gathers, and people enjoy their winter time there. If Serbians are not to be found in Zlatibor, you can find them at another popular destination in Serbia. It's also a mountain called Kopaonik. However, these two areas are not so cheap. They are affordable, more or less. They're, affordable places, more expensive places, but you do need quite an amount of money to visit these places. The third mountain that is becoming very popular and more affordable is called Stara Planina. It would be translated to the old mountain. This is where Serbian people go as well during winter. Other than this, or these places that I mentioned, we do have many fortresses and wonderful sightseeing spots within Belgrade and outside of Belgrade, but I will talk about them in the future videos. In a separate video. So now I'm going to say all of this in Serbian so that people from my country can understand me. Dobro večer svima, u današnjem videu pričam o tome gde se Srbi mogu naći ili videti za vreme leta i za vreme zimskih praznika. Znači leti obično idemo u Crnu Goru ili u Grčku, naravno neki ljudi idu i na Kipar, na Maltu, u Tursku, i tako dalje, ali najveći broj ljudi ide znači u Crnu Goru i u Grčku za vreme leta. Ako se ne možemo tamo naći, onda Srbe možete videti, rekla sam, u Adi Ciganliji. Tu imamo jedno veštačko jezero gde je voda jako topla i prijatna za kupanje, a ako nismo tamo, onda smo u Zemunu na Ratnom ostrvu, gde možete da napravite neki roštilj, gde možete da popijete piće, da se bavite sportom, to možete i na Adi Ciganliji da uradite, i rekla sam da u svim ovim mestima mi volimo i da šopingujemo, znači šopingujemo uglavnom garderobu, neke cipele, patike, papuče, nekad šminku, ako su žene u pitanju, ali uglavnom znači volimo šoping i uvek šopingujemo usput nešto. Rekla sam da ako nas i tamo ne vide ljudi, da onda mogu da nas vide u nekim banjama. Meni lično je najdraža i najbolja banja Ždrelo, što ne znači da je to najbolja ili jedina banja u Srbiji, čak naprotiv imamo jako puno banja, ali sam rekla da ću o njima pričati u nekom drugom videu. Ovo je već dovoljno dugačak, tako da ne bih sad da strpam sve u jedan video. Eto, to bi bilo to. To su neke najvažnije informacije. Znači, u Beogradu se može videti još mnogo stvari, i u Beogradu i van Beograda, ali o tome, kao što sam rekla, ću pričati u nekom sledećem videu. Hvala vam što ste me slušali sada, ako ste me slušali, ako imate neke komentare, nešto napišite, i to bi bilo to za sada. Vidimo se uskoro. Prijatan dan vam želim.